So now we are going to perform an activity, and I have divided you all students in different groups, and they will perform a dialogue. First of all, I would like to call group A, that includes Mr. Chandar and Mr. Daniel. Clapping for them.
Hi Daniel, what are you reading?
Oh, hi Chandar. It's a travel brochure about Japan. I really want to visit there someday.
That's true. But how will you talk to people there? Do you speak Japanese?
Not really, but I think I can manage with English. It's spoken everywhere, isn't it?
That's true. Our English teacher says it's a global language. It helps people from different countries talk to each other.
Exactly. I was watching a cooking video online and the chef was from Italy, but the video was in English. But the video was in English. So everywhere it's so everyone about understand could understand.
That show how important it's for communication and for learning. To all the best books and research papers are often translated to English first.
Yes, and what about the internet? So much information and so many websites are in English.
Definitely, if you want to learn more about history, science, or anything, knowing English makes it much easier to find information.
It's also help with jobs, right? My cousin work for international company. She has to talk to clients in Germany and Brazil all in English.
Wow, that's great example. It really opens up opportunity. We should study harder in our English class.
Agreed. It's not just a school subject, it's a key to the world.
Well said, Daniel. See you in class.
Hi, Sakib.